Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the software instrument track and opening the piano roll now. This puts notes and velocity where you need them. Once done, zoom and set snap to 1/16 or smart so your rhythms lock in, and enable playhead follow so you can see note timing as you play. Make sure MIDI input is live. This allows real-time recording and step entry. The reason is simple. Clean visual context speeds editing, and snap prevents tiny timing errors that ruin groove. Now draw notes with the pencil tool and immediately drag to adjust length. This sets phrasing and sustain. Once notes exist, select a region and apply light quantize at 1/16 or 1/8. You use cue strength to keep human feel while tightening timing. After that, edit velocities in the velocity lane or inspector because dynamics control tone and mix placement. Also, tweak sample start or note offsets when a note feels late. Subtle shifts fix feel. Finish by smoothing transitions. Use legato or the time handles to tie notes and prevent unwanted gaps or retriggers because seamless phrasing matters. Once satisfied, bounce or export your region as MIDI or 24-bit WAV for quality results. Choose offline bounce for faster renders. If you see ghost notes, stuck notes, or input lag, rescan MIDI devices, restart the MIDI driver, or increase audio buffer size to reduce CPU dropouts. This troubleshooting fixes the common playback and recording hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.